What's up guys, Crazy KD Reviews. I'm here at Best Buy about to buy the Mavic Air, and then I'm gonna head home and unbox it for you guys. Let's just see what happens. Alright guys, just got my DJI Air. Got some carbon fiber propellers. I want to do a test for you guys on the noise difference. Got a couple batteries, and let's go get it unboxed. Alright, so here we are home, and like I told you guys, I got the DJI Mavic Air Fly More combo. I got 2 extra batteries, and also this little cool thing. This is the carbon fiber propellers for the Mavic Air. Supposedly they're supposed to reduce the noise and make the drone fly better. I will be the judge of that, and I will make a review video coming out either Friday or Saturday, so stay tuned, subscribe and follow and like, and I'll measure the noise between the carbon fiber propellers and the regular standard DJI Mavic Air propellers that come with the drone. But let's get into the unboxing and see what's inside the package. So I got my handy dandy knife here. Alright, so I compared the packaging that DJI does to nicely packaged, well designed. Look at that, it's like opening a brand new iPhone. So they provided us with this nice pouch. Really cool that they actually provided. It's I believe it's like $79.99 if you just buy it alone. Pretty nice. Smells good. Smells like brand new, man. I don't know how to describe it. If you ever bought a brand new car and you get that car smell, the pouch smells like a brand new pouch. Don't ask me what I just said, just go with it, okay? Anyway, let's see what's inside of it. So we got the controller. Of course you need that. Without controller, it's kind of hard to fly. Let's see what's inside the box. Okay, so they provide you with the cables. This is propellers, my bad. So this is extra propellers for the DJI Mavic Air, and yeah, there's the cable to charge the controller. And this little cool thing is an adapter for the battery. So how that works, this adapter plugs into the battery, and that battery becomes a portable battery that you could charge your devices with. Not only Mavic Air devices, but like your phone, iPad, anything you'd like. And they also provide you with the OTG cables. So that's pretty cool. So you don't gotta go buy the third-party ones. You get 2 different ones, micro and USB-C. You also got the adapter. So what this is, I believe it is the, yes, so you plug this into the controller, and then you plug the controller through USB-C into USB, and that's how you charge the controller. You also get this 2 little joystick metal thingies that screw on. You also get 2 separate ones that are inside the joystick, and I will show you that at the end of the video. I'm not gonna remove them. I'm not even gonna carry the second ones because I'm probably gonna lose them. I'm just gonna keep them on it. Alright, so moving on, let's see what we got. We got the charging hub to charge all your batteries. With this charging hub, you could charge 4 batteries. I have like 7 batteries because I just want to fly, you know. DJI Mavic Air stands for being in the air. I don't want to run out of juice and, you know, have to go home and charge it. So I have like 7 batteries. But yeah, that charging base charges 4. You got the brick, of course, to charge it. You got the cables and all that fun stuff. And as you could see, another pouch that they gave you. They're just giving away like little bags, you know, to carry your DJI stuff with, so that's pretty cool. Really, like, they thought of it well. Alright, what's next? So in here, we got the boring stuff, the manuals, and then you got the propeller guards. Stay safe out there. Use them if you'd like. I'm not going to. I feel like they add extra weight, reduce the flight time and duration, so we'll see how that goes. Alright, what is this? This is just padding in the box. So here I believe that would be our favorite thing that, we're looking for. Yep, the drone itself. I got the Onyx Black. Oh, wow. I'm surprised how small that is. It fits in the palm. It actually feels smaller than the Spark itself when it's unfolded. Let's remove all the stickers off of it. Unfold the propeller. Couple more stickers on it. Just making sure I'm not removing anything I don't need to remove. The landing gear. There you guys have it. Nice little drone. You got the back sensors, the front sensors, the camera, the 3-axle gimbal camera. Let me remove the protector for the camera. There you guys go. So got all this, accessories. I'll put it back on because I don't want to get dust in there. So yeah, you got the removable battery right in the middle of the drone. Slides back in, snaps in. Really easy to fold it, as you guys could see. The rear ones fold down while the front ones just slide in. You just gotta close the landing gear. I forgot about that. Whatever. That's fine. It still fits in the case nicely. Yeah, guys, so there you have it. Little unboxing of the drone. So, remember I was talking about the controller? So, I will show you what the thing inside the controller is. My camera died, so I was holding my phone and doing this, so bear with me for a second. So as you guys could see, let me finish opening it. You got the iPhone cable inside of it, the OTG cable, and also the little sticks. So I hope you guys like the video. Follow me, like, subscribe. I'll have the links in the description, and stay tuned for my more videos. See ya.